Hello everybody on the live stream. This is the Minimal Productivity channel, and we will not struggle. We will not laugh with my daughter today, but we will really talk about productivity this time. But let me see whether the live stream is okay and is live. If you want to check other things I publish regularly, you can visit minimalproductivity.com. This is my website, and you can find there my vlogs, and also in the future there will be my minimal productivity podcasts there published, because I plan on recording a podcast about productivity, organization, and lessening stress in a project management scope. So 1 minute 23. So I think everybody who wanted to connect is connected right now. So let's dive into the topic of today's live stream. And the topic of today's live stream will be ClickUp. And why I am going to tell you about ClickUp, because it's my project management app of choice since recently, and I am completely blown away how much the team behind ClickUp made of a progress during last 12, maybe 16 months, because I have been using ClickUp earlier, last year, or maybe 1 year and a half before. And it was a solid project management tool, but it was not really an excellent tool without its errors, without its bugs. For example, the integration between the Google Calendar and ClickUp was very, very tricky. It worked, and sometimes it did not work, and it was very annoying, and I don't like annoying apps. So I abandoned last year ClickUp, and I went to other tools. I used Todoist, then I used Asana, then I used TickTick, and I am back to using ClickUp, and I think I will stay here because I have narrowed down the choice of my productivity apps to really those who give me the opportunity to make some kind of time blocking. And besides using Google Calendar, the two apps that do very well time blocking are TickTick and ClickUp. Todoist also allows for that, but it's a little bit trickier because you have to make an integration via Zapier in order to see in Todoist your meetings, because Todoist don't have an option to visualize your calendar inside of Todoist. This can be done in TickTick, and that's why I use TickTick, but the collaboration inside of TickTick is really not very well executed, because the chats are always truncated. You have to click expand on each command, and you have to, and sometimes it works, sometimes it does not work very well to communicate via push notifications. I don't know why, but my team said that there were problems with that. So we moved to ClickUp because ClickUp has better communication, push notifications, and also ClickUp gives you the opportunity to set up very granularly all the notifications, and you can decide whether you will have the notification on your email or on your phone or on your web app. Małgorzata is saying hello. Hi, Małgorzata. What do you want to know about ClickUp? You are using ClickUp with me. Yeah. So this. So we have switched to ClickUp, and also there is another reason besides that this tool is better executed for the collaboration. It's that it can pretty much replace also a chat tool. If you have used with your team some kind of a chat tool like Twist or Slack, you have channels for chatting that you can create inside of ClickUp. So the communication can be not only around tasks, which is very good because you should communicate around tasks, but you can also communicate in a chat channel you create separately inside of a project or inside of a group of projects also. And this is cool because it can replace Slack, or you don't have to choose a chat application if you start to building your team around ClickUp. And also there is documents inside of ClickUp, so you can basically create some kind of a wiki, or you can assemble the knowledge of your team, the processes that you are using, I don't know, if you are drafting documents together, you can do it inside of ClickUp also. So it can potentially also replace Google Docs. And so I think that those three things, the chat communication, the possibility to have a time blocking option inside of this tool, and also the possibility to draft documents inside, makes ClickUp very unique. And very, very good for overall project management and company management on a basis. You can run pretty much any size of an organization inside of ClickUp very, very efficiently. And also you can every user is not forced to adapt one view or one workflow, but the people who like to use Kanban style tables can use Kanban style tables, and the people that like lists can visualize the same project as a list, and those who like Gantt charts with dependencies can do it, can visualize the project on a Gantt chart. So it's really up to the user how it sees the information, and this is very cool. And also the paid version of ClickUp does not limit the size of data you can upload to ClickUp, which means that you can pretty much store anything you want inside of ClickUp. Without linking to a Google Drive or something, you can upload directly to ClickUp, and the document viewer, which is inside of ClickUp, is very cool and visualizes Excel, the Word docs, and also PDFs, which is very handy. So we are working on ClickUp, and I think I will make in the future maybe a tutorial about ClickUp. Let me know in the comments if you want me to record something like that, and to show you how I am creating projects for different parts of an organization, because you can pretty much manage inside of ClickUp IT tickets for an IT support. You can manage access control if you have some kind of an access control in your team. You can manage drafting documents with a remote team. You can manage a lot. I don't know, a publishing schedule, for example, if you have a YouTube channel, or you want to schedule, I don't know, maybe blog posts or podcasts. So if you'd like me to make a tutorial like that, please let me know. And this is all for now on this live stream. Be well, and until tomorrow. Bye.